Here we have a problem on integration. That is, we have to evaluate this integral over here. So I'm going to integrate the function over here using a method of substitution. That is, I'm going to substitute a new variable for this expression 2 positive x square inside the square root in denominator. That is, let u is equal to 2 positive x square. Okay, now the complete integration has to be changed to the new variable u. That is, we have to integrate the function with respect to u. So in that case, at the place of dx, we must have du. So if I want to get du from this u, I have to find the derivative of this u. Actually, u is the function of x. So I have to find derivative on both sides with respect to x. When I find derivative of this u with respect to x, I'm getting du over dx. On the right side, when I find derivative of this constant 2, it will become 0. When I find the derivative of this x square with respect to x, I'm getting 2x. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by dx. So when I do so, this dx and dx will cancel out. I'm getting du equals to 2 times x times dx. Okay, so do I find 2 times x times dx in the given integration? No, I find x times dx over here. So I don't have 2 times x times dx. So I have to get rid of this 2. So for that, I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 1 half. That is 1 half times du and 1 half times 2x times dx. So this 2 will cancel out. I'm getting 1 half times du is equal to x times dx. Okay, now let me rearrange the terms in the given integration. Actually, this 7 is a constant multiplied by the complete stuff over here. So whenever a constant is multiplied by the stuff which contains variable in an integration, the constant can be moved out of the integral. So here we can move the constant out of the integral. Then we can write this x and dx together in numerator, that is x times dx over square root of 2 positive x square. Okay, now we can do the substitution over here 7 times. So for this x dx, we can plug in 1 half times du. Then I'm getting 1 half times du over square root of, for this 2 positive x square, already we have substituted the new variable u. So for this one, we can plug in u. Okay, now again a constant is multiplied over here. This constant also can be moved out of the integral. Then I'm getting 7 times 1 half times du over, so this square root can be written as exponent. When I write the square root as exponent, it will be 1 half. Okay, now we have 7 times 1 half can be written as 7 over 2 and the integral. So this u to the power of 1 half can be moved to the numerator. When I move it to the numerator, the exponent 1 half will become negative. That is u to the power of negative 1 half times du. So here we can integrate this function using the power rule of integration, that is integral whenever I have x to the power n dx. So its integration is, what I need to do is I have to add 1 to the exponent n, then x to the power of n positive 1, and it has to be divided by the exponent over here n positive 1 positive c. So this is in the form of x to the power n dx. Just instead of x we have u, and instead of n we have negative 1 half. Okay, let me integrate over here. So in the next step, 7 over 2 times, I'm adding exponent, I'm adding 1 to the exponent negative 1 half and divide by the same exponent over here, that is negative 1 half positive 1 positive the integral constant c. Okay, 7 over 2 times u to the power of, when I combine this negative 1 half positive 1, I'm just getting 1 half over 1 half here. So 7 over 2 times and here if I move this 1 half to numerator, it will become its reciprocal, that is 2 over 1 times u to the power of 1 half positive c. Sorry, I forgot to add the c over here. So this 2 will cancel out. So I'm getting 7 times u to the power of 1 half positive c, and 7 times here the exponent 1 half can be written as square root for u, so 7 times square root of u positive c. Actually, u is a variable taken by us to make the integration process easier. So it has to be replaced by the original stuff. Already we know that u is equal to the original stuff 2 positive x square. So we can plug in the 2 positive x square for u over here. Then I'm getting 7 times square root of 2 positive x square positive c. So the integration of the given function equals to 7 times square root of 2 positive x square positive c.